you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received my Marked by Inked box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received my Marked by Inked box. I'm gonna say this is November, December, because I don't think it's October, November, because we're already out of October. But this is a bi-monthly box. It's for the tattooed enthusiasts, and I'm actually really excited. Oh my gosh, how in the world did I almost forget? I have something to show you guys, an amazing thing that happened to my last box. One of you guys already knows, but when I'm done showing you this, I have to remember, I need to tell you an amazing story of something that happened to one of the items in the box from last month. Actually, let me grab it so I can set it in front of me so I don't forget. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this box now that I have my reminders sitting here. So let's cut the tape and let's see what we have. All right. So when you open it up, there's always a postcard up here from the featured artist of the month, or the box, I say, because it's a bi-monthly box. So let me go ahead and remove that postcard. It is very pretty. Okay, so now that I've removed the sticky stuff from the back, this is what the postcard looks like. That is so cute. Now with these, you can actually use them and you can write down a note, which is a lost art almost, and send it to somebody like it's intended, or you can just save them, collect them, use them as scrapbooking. You can do whatever you want with this, but always remove it from the box because this is one of the items for this theme. So again, there's the first thing. Here is the card right on top, and this does go over the items that are inside, and there's no pricing. That's right, this one doesn't give pricing, but it does go over all of the different items and gives you information. And they do have their seal, which is super cute, you guys. I actually save them. Again, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I do save them because I think it's really cute and a very, very unique touch that not everybody does. And it kind of looks kind of like a T, so that would be for Tracy, even though I think it's I for inked. But still, I love their seal. Seal of approval. So this is what this month looks like. Right there. So let's go off this one because this was the first thing that I noticed because it's my favorite color. This is INKED Tattoo Products UVA, UVB, SPF 50 Sunscreen Spray Ink Shield with ink barrier technology, reef friendly, coconut and all natural scented. That's awesome because if you guys know, I mean, this whole arm is all tattooed and I have tattoos everywhere else too. So when I'm in the sun, I know the sun is not good for them because it does start to kind of like make them fade a little bit more. So I'm really, really excited to have one that's geared towards saving or preserving our tattoos from the sun. So I really am excited about this product right here. Not to mention it's my favorite color. So I know this is going to be my bottle because nobody else in this house has tattoos. So there is that, you guys. And was there two different ones or no? It looks like they might have just sent different ones of these because in the picture I have this, but then the second item is not this. It looks like that. So there's like a spray bottle on that one, and that one says sunscreen spray ink shield as well, but it's just like a spray. And then this is INKED Tattoo Products SPF 15 lotion that protects and enhances your ink. Reef friendly. This is cucumber coconut. That's awesome. So you have a lotion that'll help your tattoos as well. That's really cool to get both of these. Like, that is really, really neat. I'm really excited about that. So what it says under this particular product, INKED Sunscreen Ink Shield, the world's first sunscreen specially formulated for tattoo protection with ink barrier technology to protect your tattoos all year round. Ink Shield's 50 SPF sunscreen goes on clear so your tattoos will continue to look pristine. So that would be this one, the 50 SPF, and then this lotion has 15 SPF in there as well. That's awesome. I really like both of those products, you guys. So we have this says premium hemp dog chews, beef flavored. is this really for my dog? Like, is this for an animal, not the human? Because I'm so freaking confused right now. This says, one of the best parts of being a pet owner is helping your dog grow and develop. This company offers specially formulated CBD dog treats, or there's actual CBD oil, to give your best friend the same support that humans receive from CBD. Don't have a dog of your own? This is a perfect time to share with other dog lovers. So that's kind of odd. I'm gonna say, I mean, this is a tattoo box for humans, so I think it's kind of odd that there's a dog product in here, but okay. It says 0 dairy, soy, tree nuts, shellfish, and sugars. 1 chew per 25 pounds, 1 to 2 times a day. Amount may be adjusted if needed. Veterinarian formulated. That is what it looks like, and they definitely smell like dog treats. And it looks like it would have came with those or the oil, which is right here. So if you don't have a dog, or you don't want to give this to your dog, find somebody that has a dog that might want it. That's just a little odd that you get an item for a dog. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but that's just me. Next we have is, it says Topanga Together award-winning hot sauce. Tiffany's Torture Hot Sauce Company. And this is a glass bottle. This is Torture Hot Sauce, the 2019 International Flavor Award winner. Torture joins great heat and complex flavor to make hot sauce for the books. Enjoy this vegan, gluten-free sauce on any meal for a dash of heat and boost of great flavor. I love spice. I put hot sauce almost on everything. So I'm actually excited to try this. And I like that it's a nice little, looks like an alcohol bottle, a little glass alcohol bottle like you find in front of any liquor store. But that is really neat. I'm glad to try that. So now we're back on track with human products. Okay, so now we have, it says, keep that smile bright with Cleaner Smile Whiter Teeth Strips. They're called Cleaner Smile Club. So they look like a Crest whitening strip. There's 3 different ones. It says also available in charcoal. Cleaner Smile whitening strips are as easy and mess-free way to whiten your teeth in just 15 to 30 minutes a day. Our enamel-safe mint flavor advanced whitening strips stay put while they whiten so you can talk and go about your day. Visit cleansmile.com to get 30% off at checkout with code INKED30. So if you guys wanted to check out these whitening strips, you can use INKED30 to get 30% off at checkout. So that's neat that we get to try those out. There's a 4th one here that is there, wait, nope, there's 2 there. So there's 5 total, you guys. Okay, so then now we have is the shirt. And then when you do sign up for this box, you get to put if you want a woman size or a man size. So I have mine as the woman size. And this is, ooh, I like that. I love music. I love skulls. So this is awesome. I love that shirt, you guys. That is so cool. I really, really like this shirt. So here is the shirt for this month. And it would have came, like I said, in the women's or the men's, but it would have been the same print on the shirt. If you were a new member, you would get the trucker ink hat that I got in my very first box. So your very first box, you get a free bonus item, and that would be in your box if you do sign up. You would have the trucker hat that says inked on it. If you want to see that, what you would get at sign up would be right there. Okay, so then now we have is the canvas for this month, you guys. Now the canvases I'm actually saving. Oh, how cool. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is amazing artwork, you guys. I love that with the postcard and then with the, where'd my postcard go? Hold on. With the shirt, look at this. That is so cool. That is who created those artwork for this box. And yeah, that's who drew these items that is on the shirt, the postcard, and the canvas. And all of the canvases are the same exact size, you guys. So once I'm all done accumulating all the boxes that I'm going to be getting, I'm going to find a place to just put all of these so I can just have them all in the same area. So I'm saving all of these for that. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. Really quick recap. We have these 3 items again right here. We have dog CBD chews or an oil. That's still throwing me off. We have 2 of these products, which are amazing, sunscreen and a lotion that help preserve our tattoos. That's awesome. We have the 5 whitening strips. We have this hot sauce, and that's it. So that is everything that came in this bi-monthly box, you guys. There is a code here if you guys are interested in the CBD for dogs. You can go to their website and you can use code marked by INKED for 20% off. So if you do want to check out that website, that is what it is right there. I guess they do have tattoo care as well, because this one right in the middle, that's not for dogs, that says tattoo care. So if you want to check them out, use that code. And then there's another discount card here. This is for Inked Ease. These 2 products right here. If you wanted to check them out, you can go to www.inkeeze.com and you can use code INKED25 at checkout until 10/31 of 20. Oh, that's already expired. Shame on you. Don't use that one then, you guys. It's expired before I even received the box. I mean, I guess if you want to try, maybe they'll let them know to extend their coupon a little bit longer, because we just literally received this box. So you can try it. The code is INKED25 to get 20% off. That's weird. Wouldn't it be Inked 20? I don't know. But that's for that company right there. So if you want to check that out and see if it's still available, because it's very odd for it to be expired before I even received the box. So there's some discount cards right there. Okay, so if you want to know a little bit more about inks, I'm going to let you know right now, and then I'm going to tell you my story. I haven't forgot because I have it sitting right here. Right here. So Marked by Inked, again, is every other month. It's a bi-monthly box. So there's only 6 of them per year. You can use my code Shecrafty10 to get 10% off if you would like to sign up. Marked by Ink is a hand-curated every other month subscription box curated exclusively for tattooed enthusiasts. Meet your new obsession, the experience, and every other month subscription of 5+ valued products celebrating tattoo culture. Each box features a collectible, a limited edition piece of canvas art by a notable tattoo artist, and exclusive apparel from a top tattoo shop. So for the pricing, you can do a one-time box, pay as you go, which it's every 2 months, but it's 1 box at a time, $39.95, or you can do the 3 boxes at a time like I pay for. I pay for the 3 months at a time because it saves you some money. So it still comes every other month, but it's half the year, and it's $109. Shipping is $6.95 per box, and each one has a typical value of $125 or more of value in each box. So that is what I have to tell you about them. So now let's get into my interesting story from last month. If you don't want to hear my story, you can go ahead and end now, because that's all I have to tell you about this box. If you do want to know my story time, then here you go. So last box, so 2 months ago, I unboxed that box, and the featured artist of that particular box was DJ Tambi. If you guys don't know him, he's an amazing artist. I've followed him throughout the time of being on the show, and he's just an amazing artist. So I was so excited to get that box because the artwork was from him, and I was like, this is so cool. So on that video, one of you guys reached out to me and said, oh my gosh, that is my neighbor. That would be so cool if you would actually autograph that canvas for you and actually sign it. And I was like, do you really think that he would? Like, are you serious? Because I'll send it to you. I'll send you a return label to mail it back to me. Like, this is the thing. Like, we could do this if he's willing to. No problem. I didn't want to just send it to her and have her be like forced to do it if he wasn't comfortable with it. I don't know how he would be with just being like, okay, this is odd. Let me just sign something. So she actually asked him, and he was moving. So he doesn't live there anymore now, but things happen at the right time for a reason. I do believe that things just happen, and things are just put in place for a reason sometimes. So I greatly do appreciate it because I have it Oh my gosh. So she asked him, he said he did not mind. Even though he was in the midst of moving and doing all of that, I greatly appreciate him taking the time to actually sign this for me. He does not know who the hell I am. But he took the time in between moving and all of that chaotic stuff, plus everything going on in the world right now. He actually took the time to sign this. So I'm greatly appreciated to my subscriber who took the time to do this for me, and her kids for making it happen, and for him for actually signing it. But this was the artwork that he drew. This was his canvas, and it does have like, it did have a small signature already on it. Maybe he signed right over it, because I remember seeing like a small signature, but it was printed. Now I have a physical signature. Isn't that so freaking cool? DJ Tammy literally signed my canvas. Oh my God. Like, I am like so beyond, like, I still can't believe this actually happened. So again, thank you so much for making this happen, suggesting it, making it happen. You got the damn thing done for me. So thank you so much. So that is what I wanted to tell you guys. I wanted to tell you this really cool story because my artwork from last month is now physically signed. It traveled. This thing traveled to Vegas and back, and now it has his signature. So that is awesome. So again, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. And yeah, so that is all I have to say for this particular video. So comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this box? What did you think of the items that they put in this bi-monthly box? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.